Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Last video I showed you that my Mercedes ML350 died on the road with my daughter, and we went through troubleshooting some of the possibilities, narrowed it down, found the culprit, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace it. It boils down to a bad fuel pump. So with that, let's get started on this fuel pump replacement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Work in a well-ventilated area, away from open flames and anything that could cause a spark. Make sure to wear safety glasses and any other safety protection needed while performing fuel system repairs. Properly relieve the system's fuel pressure before any repairs are performed. Check the fuel system pressure and flow along with the pump electrical circuit. Make any necessary repairs before replacing the pump. Disconnect the ground cable from the vehicle's battery before performing any operation involving gasoline, gas tanks, or fuel lines. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this cover off after I've put the front seat, passenger seat, all the way forward. And there is the ground. So we're just going to disconnect that ground. That ground is connected via a 10mm socket. So we're going to take that off. That's the ground. And that'll be step one of our safety. And once that's disconnected, I'm going to bring up the seat again. This top cover here is held in place with some really strong adhesive that we're going to have to remove. So using a pry bar, I separated the adhesive from the top cover. Do this carefully as you don't want to drastically bend this top cover. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. So I've cleaned up. I'm going to remove this electrical connection again. That out of the way. And I'm going to take this tool. This tool is adjustable, so I'm going to have to adjust it. I'm going to have to adjust it to fit. So let's get it all adjusted up. I'm going to fit one side. Alright, so I've adjusted it. Now I just got to put a socket on there and turn it. There are two tabs on either side of this fuel top cover that you have to pry back to allow the cover to turn. So pry those back, and then let's remove the top cover. With the fuel pump lock ring in place, we're going to now loosen it up. Take care not to break any of the tabs. They become brittle over time and they can snap and break. So turn it slowly until it's free. Turn it faster and faster at that point until it's completely relieved. Remember that the gas tank could still have pressure in it, and to take extreme caution when doing this portion. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you're opening a gas tank, so you want to not create any kind of spark or anything of the sort. Okay, take that off. Now it's important, it's crucial that we remember the orientation. Plug is facing me. We're going to take this cover off, put it in a safe spot. There's going to be some electrical that we're going to need to disconnect and some hoses. Very dangerous, guys. Fuel everywhere, stinks. Disconnect that one. Make sure you don't damage these wires, then you're really toast. Disconnected that. Get these wires out of there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this hose right here, this is a blue button right here. We gotta, to get this off, we gotta put our finger on it, push that blue cable in, and then you should be able to pop that right off. like that. Okay, that's the pressure line that actually goes up to the front. And then this one should pop right off. Cut that off. Pop these two hoses off one by one. Big one first. Skinny one. Followed by this big one over here. So I'm going to push them in and out of the way so I can pull the pump out. The pump is still connected to a little metal slide underneath. Gotta let this fuel bleed out too. Slide this little slider out. Take it straight out and put it into a container for gas. So the first thing we're going to connect back is that metal piece right there. It goes into the new clip. Get the metal clip, slide it in. Take your time. Don't want to break anything. So I've got that metal slide right up in there. Then alright. So now I'm going to connect this hose back. Big hose. That's connected. And then I'm going to connect that's the small one. That's the big one. This is the pressure hose. Goes on. And then, as you remember, this one goes onto the tip. Now that that's in place, everything's connected, all the hoses. Make sure that your float can float freely. Now we're going to connect this, and these springs and all the electrical wires that go to it. Put those in. Make sure that this black hose goes down inside here, and this little hole right there. And that both spring-loaded guides are also in their respective holes. Everything's lined up. Check all your hoses. Alright, got the gasket in there. I'm going to get this cover ready. And now connect back the power. At this time we're going to connect the negative ground back to the battery, tighten it up. And then with a wrench. Ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Let's get this SUV started. It's up and running. And I hear the pump pumping away. Now that we have this pan out, I'm just going to flatten it out because we kind of bent it up a little. At this point we're going to remove all of the old adhesive so that we can create a new seal with the gasket sealer that we have. So let's just take our time, take that off, and prepare it for installation. Okay, using some ultra gray gasket maker, goes up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as minus 65 degrees. It's used for making gaskets for your engines. I'm going to use this to seal top of the cover. This gasket seal maker is also in the description below. I've also applied the gasket sealer to the top cover to ensure that the seal is 100% secure and tight. Cover the seats back. Remove our tools. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.